peeve of mine is noisy valves and any mechanical noise that distracts from the music. As a listener, if I go to a concert, I come to hear tuba, not percussion noises generating from the valve section. Now, most of the time, if the valve is just simply oiled properly and regularly, we don't have noises developing. But occasionally, these will develop despite the most rigid application of oiling procedures. When this happens, we want to go through a number of items. First of all, if we're just hearing sort of a buzzing noise, which is very common, check all screws, such as lyre screws, and just various screws on the instrument. Be sure that one has not simply just worked free and now it's making a little noise. Very often, this will stop that problem immediately. After checking all the screws, and they all seem to be secure, if the noise persists, now we need to isolate the problem. Most commonly, the problem will be in the linkage. So what we want to do to find this is with the index finger, hold the stopper arm in position, and then gently take the paddle between the thumb and index finger of the other hand and move the paddle up and down. Watch for motion in the hinged joint, double hinge joint, and around the connection, whether it be the uniball, ball and socket, or the S-link. If we notice either motion or noise, we want to oil or grease any of those spots as appropriate. Occasionally also we may want to move this laterally to see if there is excessive motion in the area here on the post that the paddle is moving back and forth. Once again, apply oil. Now, in some instances, you'll need to apply the oil several times, perhaps over a 2 or 3 day period, before the oil finds the surface that's making the noise. Just stay with this, and very often that will take care of itself. If the noise persists over a couple of weeks, then you may have to consult a repairman on this. Now, let's say that this system has been taken care of and we are sure that the noise is not here, yet the noise persists when we use the instrument. The next area we need to check is the bumper area. Now, in order to see this clearly, we have here in the vise a valve that is not in an instrument that I think will be much clearer for you to see the valve bumpers and see how we are going to deal with this problem. So we'll go here now.